次会った時はお前の脳髄をぶちまけてやる。
Alright guys, let's go tutorial this edit. Add a picture with that background. Good. Add 3 keyframes. 1, 2, 3. Drag right. It's good. This keyframe, drag right. Zoom the picture. Good. Go to basic, rotate, this keyframe, rotate, go to graphs, cubic out, this keyframe, cubic in. I see. Good. Add a new picture with the background. This picture. It's good. Add 3 keyframes. 1, 2, 3. This keyframe, drag left. This keyframe, drag left. Good. Go to basic, rotate, this keyframe, go to graphs, cubic out, this keyframe, cubic in. I see. Good. This keyframe, zoom the picture. Good. It's good. Add a clip. Go to remove background, chroma key, clean up edge 1. It's good. Go to speed, normal, 2x. Good. Add 3 keyframes. 1, 2, 3. Drag right. This keyframe, drag right. Good. Go to basic, rotate this keyframe, it's good. Go to graphs, cubic out, cubic in. Add a new clip. This clip, it's good. Go to remove background, Clean up age 1. It's good. Go to speed normal 2x. Good. Add 3 keyframes. Two, 3. This keyframe, drag left. This keyframe, drag left. Good. Basic, rotate. This keyframe, go to graphs, cubic out, this, cubic in. It's good. Add a new clip. Go to remove background, chroma key, clean up page 1. Good. Go to speed normal 1.4x. It's good. Add 3 keyframes. 1, 2, 3. Drag right. Zoom the clip. Good. Drag left. Delete keyframe. Add a new keyframe. Now drag right. It's good. Go to basic, rotate, go to graphs, ribbon out, this keyframe, ribbon out. It's good. This keyframe, zoom the clip, this, zoom the clip. It's good. Now add a picture with that background. This. Good. Fit it to the screen. Add 2 keyframes. 1, 2. Drag right. This clip. Good. This. It's good. Go to graphs, ribbon out, this keyframe, go to basic, rotate, good. Add a new picture without background, this picture, fit to the screen, It's good. Add two keyframes. 1, 2. Drag left. Go to graphs, ribbon out. This keyframe, go to basic. Rotate. It's good. I see. Good. Now add a new clip. Fit to the screen. Go to remove background, chroma key, clean up edge 1. It's good. Go to speed, normal 1.4x. Good. Add two keyframes. 1, 2. Drag left. Go to graphs, ribbon out. Go to basic, rotate, minus this keyframe. Go to basic. It's good. Zoom the clip. Good. Add a new clip. Go to remove background. Clean up page 1. Good. Go to speed, normal 1.4x. Add two keyframes. 1, 2. This keyframe, drag right. Drag down. Good. Go to basic. Go to graphs, cubic out. I see. It's good. Now copy the picture. This keyframe, zoom the picture. Go to layer. Good. Zoom the picture. This picture, copy. Go to layer. Zoom the picture. Good. This clip, copy the clip. Alright guys, I did the same for all the clips. Now go to effects, video effects, glitch, purple sunset effect, good. Click on object, this overlay, copy the effect, click on object, this overlay, copy the effect, alright guys, I put this effects for all the clips and pictures. Good. Go to video effects, lens, sharpen edges, click on object, all videos, click on edges, blur 0, sharpen 15, good, filter 0. This point, go to video effects, nightclub, shake, click on object, add videos, click on adjust, speed 15, intensity 10, good. Copy the effect, go to replace, shake 3, copy the effect, go to replace, glitch, chromosome, copy the effect, go to replace, go to replace, static morph, good. Go to video effects, energy, this effect, good. Copy the effect, go to replace, lens, chrome blur, it's good. I see the result.